and today I will be presenting my research proposal for an AI powered mobile app that I plan to develop. The app will be cross platform and capable of translating sign language into text in real time. It will support offline mode, regional sign languages, and enable interaction during live conversation. I will be building it using Flutter and TensorFlow Lite. So most current apps requires a constant internet connection, only support major sign languages like American Sign Language ASL and do not cater to regional or real world scenarios like live interactions. My project will aim to address all three of these gaps. It will offer offline support. So if there is no internet connection, you can still use the app. And Also it will I will trying to integrate more regional sign languages and real world scenarios, and there will be uh, there will be a live streaming going on. For example, if you want to record someone, you can just aim the camera towards them, and if they want to talk to you in sign language, the app will translate that sign language into real time into text. So, as I said earlier, my main goal will be to develop a mobile app that identifies sign gestures in real time and convert them to text. And even while a person is speaking, it will be converting the sign language into text in real time. uh, and The app will work offline and offer supports for regional sign language variations. Literature review and tool review. In preparation, I will review large gesture datasets, explore landmarks extraction using media pipe hands, and investigate deep learning models such as CNNs for static gestures and LSTMs for dynamic gesture sequences. Model training and optimization. In model training and optimization, I will plan to train the model using Python and TensorFlow. CNN will handle frame based feature extraction, and LSTM will manage time based gesture sequences. Once trained, I will optimize and export the model to TensorFlow Lite for mobile use so that I can use it in the Flutter app that I'll be building. Flutter app architecture. So I will be using Flutter framework for building the mobile app. So Flutter is a framework uh, for both Android and iOS. It's a single based framework which can be used for both Android and iOS. I will structure the Flutter app using MVVM pattern with provider for state management. Provider is a state management tool used in Flutter. When the app detects someone speaking, it will automatically begin monitoring signs, which is ideal for two-way communication. The architect will keep logic, UI, and model layers separated for maintainability of the app. Flutter plugin stack. Since I'll be using Flutter, so in Flutter we have different plugins for different tasks. So I will be using different Flutter plugins. I will intend to use camera plugin for real-time video input, and TF Lite Flutter for on-device AI interface. So TF Lite is a plugin which help you to integrate the AI with the Flutter app, and the speech to text plugin which will allow the app to begin listening for signs when someone starts speaking and creating a seamless experience. And so backend with the Firebase. I will be using Firebase as a backend with my Flutter app to store the data. To securely store chat logs and translation history, I will plan to integrate Firebase Auth and Cloud Firestore. Optionally, I may also use Firebase storage to save gesture images or logs for future improvements of the app. LS EPI and ethical compliance. I will ensure the app is GDPR compliant with all data handled locally unless user explicitly opt in to share it. My design will also focus on ethical principle, ensuring privacy, security, and accessibility are the core to the experience. So I will make sure that all of these principles are followed in my mobile app. So my project timeline. So my development will follow an 8-week timeline. I will begin with data preparation and model training, and then move into integrating camera and speech detection in my Flutter app, followed by building the UI and testing, and also integrating the AI into my mobile app using Flutter TF Lite plugin. I will reserve the final week for polishing and feedback for my mobile app. So here it comes the conclusion and future work. So the my app will not only be functional, it will also be accessible, real time and private. It will support live interaction during speech and will be scalable to include facial expressions, voice to sign features, and community driven regional gesture model contributions. Thank you.